Alright, so next, pull off this cover here. I think I pretty much got all the bolts out. Except for two right here. I guess you do got to pop out the water pump. At least maybe that one. Maybe that was it. Yeah, that was it. I don't care. Let's get a new water pump. Holy moly. Look at that shaft. Oh man. Yep, we'll be adding a water pump, shaft, and everything else to this list. Man, that one's crusty. Gasket will hopefully, yeah, gasket should be pretty good to come off. Way back, I'm gonna clean up some of these tools and everything. Okay, let's finish pulling out all the gears. Everything's lined up, even though it doesn't matter right now. I'm gonna change out the battery. My battery situation. This one's not doing too good anymore. Don't really want to mess with this right now. Counterbalance assembly here. I had to go back into Harbor Freight puller here, put the puller on there, slide it off. I already got the 4 bolts out of the water pump seal, which those bolts will actually thread into that balancer shaft too. Once that's out, this should, yep, just slide out. So we're going to pull off the keeper. That sucks. And there we go with the coveted camshaft. This one's got some surface rust on there, a bit of guide wear there. This is going to go over on the shelf because I'm not using it. That's not the high output camshaft that I want in there. It's stupid that a little bit of raise and lobe height is all that it does to change everything, but whatever, at least it's going to be changed out and going to be nice. Okay, so I still didn't pull out that gear yet, but I'm going to see, it should be able to split with that gear still on it. Let's see. So to get out these bushings here, just stack up 2 of the nuts together. And you can back it off that way, and then that'll drop down and let us get this last bolt out. kind of sad too. I was working here. See that little bird right there? There it goes. That's good because it just flew right up into my window and it's been down for a while. Just so it didn't break its neck or something. Anyway, so I got the cases split. And got the counterbalance. I want to order all new bearings for it too. I don't know if it was ever ran with like this sludgy and dirty of an oil, but all the bearings, we'll get new bearings. So yeah, I'm gonna wait till the parts come in because I'm not exactly sure what is coming with the kits that I've ordered, and then I'm gonna go from there. But I know I need to get like the counterbalance ones and the main seal. So I'm gonna clean all these parts up in the parts washer, get them all, everything cleaned up. Cylinders going out to get honed out as soon as the parts come in for the Swamp Ass's build, and yeah, I'll pick it up back then. Thank you guys for watching.